Hello iPhone users, in this video I am going to tell you how to share your location either current or live in iPhone. Now tap on the messages and go to the person's chat. This is where I am requesting for send location. Right now I have to tap on the profile pic. Here I can see two options. One is request location and other is share my location. If you hold the share my location, you will get three options. One is of sending for 1 hour, other is until end of the day, or third is indefinitely. Until you do not stop the location will be shared always, right? So that is how it is. I am showing you all the option how it will be mentioned, and when you share the location in the orange highlighted area with white text, it is mentioned for how long the location has been shared. Also, you can stop the location sharing by tapping on the location, and you see there is the option in the last stop sharing location. You can stop sharing from the information area also. When you tap on profile, then you have the option stop sharing my location, right? This is how we use this feature, and this is a very quick easy way without turning on your data etc. You can send through the messages to the contact. Also, when you tap on the plus sign besides the iMessages, you can see option of location, right? You tap there and you have these two options, request and share, similar to that one. See you in the next video. Ta-da.